Hello guys, this is the next part of the language. So here 1% of that basically, like this basically computers world basically are running basically. This basically thing basically normal people is not supposed to aware basically. Otherwise they basically can't sit in the computer only basically. Because if they will know this everything basically, then they can't sit in the computer basically. So here the one of the person told that basically, like this way basically the computer is created basically. But here one person told that basically. Sunil, basically you told that 5 lakh building basically is the roadmap basically of that energy basically which is going to use for the 15 lakh liter oil which is going to reach from Mumbai land to South Africa land, then to Russia land, then to Ukraine land, then basically it's going to reach to some European land, and then basically it is going to reach to some Arabic land, and then basically the final destination is Sharjah basically. Do you think basically that this basically was virtually created somewhere basically? So one person told that it might be possible basically because the universe basically, the universe design basically, which has drawn basically that have some virtual area basically. Virtual area means that exact replica basically is there in Earth planet basically, in some colleges basically, which has drawn basically. They are telling that basically currently Earth planet is moving from this side. They have the data basically. They have the data. Same way basically one person told that the 5 lakh building basically which is doing the process that has reached up to that what level basically, because they have certain level of time that at this time basically it is going to reach to this area, at this time basically it is going to reach to this area, because they have the past data basically, and they have the idea of the land basically how it's going to process basically. So 1% of that only basically zoology functional team basically can give you, because they have the functional idea. Software group basically are just software creators, not a functional group. So they have to understand the functional, and then only basically you can dump into the software that functional data. The next series.